So first we're cutting away the, what would you call it, Stephen?
The trim, the window trim, the window molding, separating the paint and the any caulking they may have used.
This will allow us to extract the window.
Gentle and patience.
So these Sash cords were replaced.
But they came off their pulley. The rope, the sash cord came off the pulley, and so on both sides.
And it's settled tightly beside the pulley. We're going to take the parting
bead.
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 We're going to take the parting bead out to be able to work on the mechanism where the Sash cord is stored.
Gently.
Take these screws off so we're going to be able to get back inside here.
This is the tough part. This is, wow. So they didn't. That's interesting.
Dan, the first time that this is done, this is actually only scored. You can see it on this side here. That's only scored from the original work. So it's a little hard to pull it off the first time because it depends on how well they scored it. Now, this particular window here, they replaced the Sash cords from the outside, not from the inside.
They accessed, then they put the drywall in, and then they put the framing on.
We also made sure that these weights are balanced on either side so they're not getting twisted. Made sure there wasn't extra room.
That they have the same distance
from the top?
From the top here on both sides.
And also then made sure there wasn't excess string near the knot. And that knot...
Sash cord.
Sorry, thank you. And that sash cord, also, if you create a bigger knot so it fits snugly inside the spot that it resides in, it doesn't need staples or other ways to hold it in. Next, we close the hatch and screw down that hatch. Make sure it's snug though, because we got to still put the filler or the bead between.
Yes, sort of. Now insert the parting bead.
Now we put back on the interior window after making sure the knots fit tightly inside the hole and that it was running nice in the track. We're going to add an L bracket on top so it doesn't actually get pushed up too high. And then we put back on the molding that goes right on the outside. So use finished nails, then caulking that's paintable, let it cure, and then come back and lightly paint in that spot.
Touch it up.